guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Ankit Mishra and in this video I will be explaining about inbound investments under FEMA. What are inbound investments? Foreign and institutional investors, when investing in companies or purchasing companies, directly invest in India. This form of investment is called inbound investment or foreign direct investment. FDI in India is crucial to the development of the economy. This will directly affect the gross domestic product of the country. Therefore, it is essential to attract more inbound investment under FEMA. Inbound investment or FDI can be made through two routes. First, automatic route. Second, government approval route. There are four categories in which investment is permitted. The categories are as follows. First, sector in which FDI is permitted up to 100% under the automatic route. Second, sectors in which FDI is permitted up to 100% in government approval route. Third, sectors in which FDI is permitted beyond a certain limit with the government. Fourth, sectors wherein FDI is permitted up to certain limit under both government approval route and automatic route, subject to applicable laws. Now we will talk about sectors which require approval under inbound investment in FEMA. The below mentioned sectors require prior approval from the RBI. Mining defense cases relating to FDI in small arms, broadcasting, print media, civil aviation, satellites, telecom, private security agencies, trading, financial services, not regulated or regulated by more than one regulator, banking public and private as per FDI policy. Now let us look at some benefits of inbound investments. First, development of Indian economy. Second, improves the GDP of the country. Third, helps in improving technologies. Eligibility criteria for inbound investments under FEMA. The investor should be a foreign investor, venture capitalist or non-resident Indian. The investment must be through the automatic route or approval route. The investment should be for permitted activities. Now let's look at some of the documents required for inbound investments under FEMA. Certificate of incorporation of the investee and investor company. Memorandum of association of the investee and investor company. Companies, entities, board of resolution for investee and investor company. Audited financial statement of last financial year of the investee and investor company. Articles of association. List of names and addresses of all foreign collaborators along with passport copy, identification proof of the investor company entity. Diagrammatic representation of the flow and funds from the original investor to the investee. An affidavit stating that all information provided in hard copy and online is same and correct. A signed copy of the JV agreement, shareholders agreement, trademark and assignment agreement as applicable. In case there are existing ventures, certificates of incorporation and chartered documents of any joint venture company which is a party to the proposed transaction. Copy of the downstream intimation. Copy of relevant past FIPB, SIA, RBI approvals connected with the current proposal in case of amendment proposal. Foreign inward remittance certificate, FIRC, in case investment has already come in and in case of post facto approval. In the case of investment made by entities which are themselves pooled investment funds, the details of such names and addresses of the promoters, investment managers, as standard operating procedure for processing FDI, list of the downstream companies of the Indian company and the details of the equity held by the Indian company along with the details of the activities of the companies. High Court order in case of a scheme of arrangement, valuation certificate as approved by the chartered accountant. Non-compete clause certificate of the investor and investee in the company in case of investment in pharmaceutical sector. Certificate of statutory auditor as mandated in the FDI policy as applicable, SOP form. This is it for this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more knowledgeable content.